Welcome to my channel Lotus Student Mentor. In this session, as a part of Natural Language Processing lecture series, the lecture number 2 is the tokenization. What is the tokenization here? The tokenization is a fundamental step in natural language processing that involves breaking a text into smaller units called tokens. It is the process of text conversion into smaller parts or tokens. The tokens can be as small as characters or as long as words. Now, what is the meaning of these tokens? We can understand through an example. The example is that suppose if we consider a text, that sentence that is, I love my mother. In that, I is one of the token, love is another token, my is another token, and mother is another token. In the sentence of I love my mother, there are 4 tokens are there. Why is it important, this tokenization? This tokenization helps machines understand human language by breaking it down into smaller pieces that are easier to analyze. And also it is highly important tokenization in doing sentiment analysis, lexical analysis, syntax analysis, and semantic analysis for reducing the time consumption. Now, what are the types of tokenization? There are various types of tokenization, especially there are 4 types of tokenization based on how the text is segmented. Number 1, word tokenization. Number 2, sentence tokenization. And the 3 is a subword tokenization. And finally, the 4th one is a character tokenization. In word tokenization, that divides the text into individual words. We can understand better by taking an example regarding the word tokenization. What is that example here? The sentence, if we consider as a tokenization is an important NLP task. In word tokenization, what we are going to do, tokenization in vector form, tokenization, is an important NLP task. These are tokens that is called word tokenization. How many word tokens are there in this sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 tokens are there in the sentence of tokenization is an important NLP task. The next important is that sentence tokenization. In the case of sentence tokenization, the text is segmented into sentences, and this is useful for tasks requiring individual sentence analysis or processing. What is the sentence tokenization meaning is that by taking an example, we can understand better. In sentence tokenization, by taking the example that NLP is very important object, it helps to text analysis. Now there are 2 sentences are there in this example. Now we tokenize into 2 sentences because there are 2 sentences are joined. Now that is known as sentence tokenization. Now NLP is very important subject, that is one sentence token. It helps to text analysis, that is another sentence token. In this example, there are 2 sentence tokens are there. Coming to the third one, the subword token. In the case of subword tokenization, the breaking down, what we're going to do here it is, the sentence or subword will be divided or breaking down words into smaller units. Now it is useful when dealing with, especially for morphologically rich languages. Now what is the example? Through that example we can understand better. Tokenization, we are going to make it subpart, that is token, and another one is ization. There are 2 subword tokens are there in the word of tokenization. And the final one is the character tokenization. In the case of character tokenization, what we are going to do here, divides the text into individual characters. Let us take the example of tokenization word. We are going to divide each character T, O, K, E, N, I, Z, A, T, I, O, N. This is called character tokenization. How many character tokens are there in the words of tokenization? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 character tokens are there in the word of tokenization. Now, what is the need of this tokenization? Now, for effective text processing, as I mentioned here, and sentiment analysis. And third one is named entity recognition, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, or morphological, finally morphological or lexical analysis. We are going to study, as I already mentioned, about sentiment analysis in the previous video. And we are going to study the named entity recognition and syntax analysis, semantic analysis, and finally lexical analysis through the examples or through solving problems. I hope you understood very well the concept of tokenization very clearly. Thank you for watching.